How to add text to videos in CapCut. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can add a text to your videos, it is pretty simple. If you have not installed a CapCut application in your device, make sure to do it beforehand. Then just tap open your CapCut application in your device. Select a video by tapping on New Project and select any video that is available in your gallery, or you can even select the one in your existing project. Once a video loads up, now to add a text right at the bottom from the toolbar, you will see the text icon. Just click on it. After which you can tap on Add Text. In it, just go ahead and type in the text that you want to add in the video. You can also manage the duration of the text, placement and position of the text on your screen. Not only this, you can even choose style, font, animation to make it more attractive in your video. To do so, click on the text, then tap on the style option, from where you'll be able to select templates, font, style, effects, animations, and more to make your text pop out. Now for an example, if I want to add animation onto my text, I will just tap on animations, then select on any one from here. And as you can see, it will look according to the animation that I selected. If you want to add a style, just click on style, then you can select on the desired style option. And that is how you add a text to videos in your CapCut. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.